Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to calculate straight-line depreciation in 3 simple steps. Let's make depreciation simple, practical, and easy to understand. Depreciation is the reduction in value of a tangible fixed asset over time. Assets lose value because of use, wear and tear, time, or obsolescence. Straight-line depreciation spreads the expense evenly over the useful life of an asset. Example 1. Imagine you buy a combine harvester for your farm. The initial cost is $450,000. The useful life is 12 years. The residual value is $90,000. First, calculate depreciable cost. The straight-line depreciation formula is depreciation equals depreciable cost divided by useful life, divided by 5 equals 1,800 per year. Annual depreciation is $30,000. Year 1 and Year 2 fill automatically with smooth number transitions. A soft ticking sound accompanies the process. Notice how the value decreases evenly every year. Now let's take a second real-life example.
$50,000 divided by 5 equals $10,000 per year.
That's why it's called straight line. Straight line is a fixed method. The expense remains constant every year.
Simple, predictable, easy.
If this helped you, subscribe now and start mastering accounting step by step with FinCorp 360. In the next lesson, we'll break down the double declining balance method, where depreciation is higher in the early years. Don't miss it.